Hello everyone, and in this video I will walk you through the process of opening a classic account on Lloyds Bank. But first, please subscribe to the channel, it will really help me out. So without further ado, let's dive in. So first of all, navigate to lloydsbank.com and in the search bar write classic account. Scroll through the available option and click on learn more in the classic account section like I show in the video. In the next page, scroll down and you will find two blue spaces. One is for who is a new customer and the other is for who is already an existing customer. Proceed to click on Apply Now if you are a new customer. Existing customer should click on Log on to apply. After selecting the appropriate option, scroll down and click on Continue. If you are a new customer, choose Yes, otherwise click No. Indicate whether this will be your main account by selecting Yes, then scroll down and click Continue. Now you'll need to complete the application by providing details such as your first name, middle name, last name, gender, title, date of birth and country of birth. If you wish to add another nationality, click the designated area and finally click Continue. Upon clicking Continue, you'll be directed to another page with further guidance on the step to open a bank account with Lloyds Bank. Follow these steps diligently and you should successfully open your account. And there we have it. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.